What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for merchandise. Also, Tucked banners, Tucked official banners. You guys hit me up on Instagram if you guys want custom ones, or check the Big Cartel. We got Tuck the World stuff on there too. All right, guys, so today we're gonna continue with the little Civic build and check out where we're going with it. Continuing the process on this, it's another day. We ended up getting everything put together, then everything's running, working. He did put the fluid and let it run for a little bit to make sure that fans kick on, AC kicks on, everything works. And so he's gonna start it right now so you guys can see what it sounds like. Starts up, runs fine. Idle drops down like it's supposed to. No issues, no problems. It gets to 180, 175, 180, and turns the fans turn on. Still got a muffler on the back. Doesn't sound bad. It won't sound bad for a little Hiest Civic. And that's on stock headers too. It's not even aftermarket ones. So I mean, it would definitely be louder if we put the other ones on there, but OEM is the way to go for the most part as far as building most of the vehicles. How Chris does it, it's more reliable that way and less issues. Everything is pretty much good, you guys, as far as no oil leaks, no water leaks, no problems, no issues. We do just need to put the CV shafts. He's waiting for the seals for the transmission, so that way we can change those seals out and then pop those in. So everything else is all connected, the linkage and everything. So pretty much bitch pin. As far as everything that's in there, you guys, it's ready to go. Engine bay painted, color changed, and also engines in. I mean, as far as how the engine is, I mean, it's gonna look stock. I don't know what his plans are as far as valve cover and all that stuff goes, or all the bolts, or however he's gonna change or do anything to add it to do more of like Hiest Civic stuff. But I mean, they really don't show more of the engine and stuff or say what it is. But as far as body, wheels, you guys seen in the video earlier that we do got the wheels already. We need to sand those down and paint those. They are on the green Civic on the other side, so we'll have to get those tires changed out and get them on. We're gonna have to figure out something with this car to raise it up a little bit because it is kind of low. And in this video too, I'll give you guys a little reminder right here because the Eclipse is still over here, and we will pull this out and give a review video for you guys soon. On to the next build video, you guys, so we can continue this. I gotta take these bumpers out of the truck. I'm working on a Dodge Ram right now, but the sunroof? It works? Yeah, that's clean. We gotta have that sunroof for the Hiest. Uh-oh. Are you going in the curb? Go around the driveway. We need to change those taillights out. The bulbs don't even work. Everything's ready to go, you guys. Hiest Civic is moving under its own power. Engine, transmission, everything's working, no leaking. Nothing from the CV shafts or anything or leaking. We had it sitting right there for like 20 minutes before we actually even did this. So we made sure everything was straight before we actually started driving it. So it does move under its own power, so everything's working. we did finish the engine. We put the new clutch, all the timing, all the oil pump, all the new seals and gaskets. You guys seen all that. We did clean up the space and got rid of that other engine that was there, and move some more space so that way we have more room. Soon we'll make a video on doing this so that way you guys can see that. We'll wash it and get that one pulled out for you guys, also the Lambo. But for right now, we got the side skirts, everything bolted, the front bumper, headlights. There's a few more things that we need to do that are details that are just like on the, as far as like there's some bushings and stuff for the line up the hood with the fenders. We riveted and drilled the holes for everything that's going to be on the sides for where this mounts up. You can see them right now, but once we fill it and paint it, it'll be all right. We had to get 2-inch bolts for those from the store real quick. This thing's sturdy. It's coming along, you guys. We'll do primer and paint, sand everything, sand the whole car with like 180, 220. Everything's running, everything's working. Gonna let it warm up. We do have the 17s right here on this. This is the parts car. There's a lot of stuff in this one that he's still got to get out. We're gonna probably use the carpet, some of the seats, some of the stuff that's still available that we have in here that we're gonna take off and use it on this car. But for the most part, everything's coming together clean. Drop a comment if you guys like it. Hey, this body kit, hey Chris, the body kit lines up perfect, bro. Like there's really not that much work. There's like little tiny details as far as just adding a little bit of body work here and there, but side skirts are fully bolted, back bumpers, we're test fitting everything. Side skirts are staying on though, since we riveted them. It's nice. All the paint and everything still underneath the hood is good. It's got a little bit of dust on it and stuff, but that's no big deal. We'll wash it all off. But everything's running, idling, running smooth. No problems, no issues. Hiest Civic. Next video is going to be primer paint. Oh. Primer and paint, huh? Hey, what is that? That is ZL1? No, ZL1. Foil's taken out right now. Hey, you gonna go get the GTR? Alright. But look, you guys, as far as the bumper, the rear bumper, there's a screen right here that's missing, kind of like this. So we're gonna look online and see if we can find it. Try to get that piece in there. Underglows, green underglows. We'll be able to put the green underglows pretty close up top. We got the title for this, you guys. It's a salvage title, but we're probably gonna part ways with this. So I mean, as soon as we put those stock wheels on this and get everything situated, if not, I can put the other 17s that I have. We're gonna switch the tires on these ones with those, and we can put them on there and sell it with some 17s and the car. Probably 1,500 bucks. Let us know. Engine won't be running or anything like that, but it'll have an engine that can run. So, and you guys haven't seen this one for a while. I haven't posted anything else on the channel from it. I got some videos that I got to catch up on as far as installing the max Peating rod suspension that they sent me again, because they updated me with a whole nother suspension that they had came out with. So we got that on here now. As far as stickers and some of the stuff, I did change it up. I'm gonna put the link in the description for my big cartel. I'm gonna drop these on the website soon. There's another Tuck the World one. Well, actually, if you guys look up on the big cartel, this is the new drop that is on the website. So if you hit the link in the description, you guys want one of those banners are on there. Also, the Tucked official banners are on there. But you guys let me know. Drop a comment, like, comment, subscribe. Check it out. Stay up to date.
stick it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? So I do it, can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rock, smoke weed like a